everyone. Welcome back to your 28-day free English course. Let me ask you something. Do you feel nervous when someone asks you a question in English? Do your words disappear? Does your mind go blank? Don't worry, you are not alone. In today's lesson, you will learn how to answer questions confidently, clearly, and naturally in English. By the end of this video, you will give short, confident answers, speak in full sentences, answer WH questions easily, stay calm even if you don't understand. Let's begin. Confidence changes everything. In school, confident students participate more. At work, confident employees are seen as leaders. In daily life, confident speakers build strong relationships. When you answer confidently, people listen carefully. People respect your ideas. You feel proud of yourself. Remember, confidence is not about perfect English. It is about speaking clearly and without fear. Let's start simple. The shortest answers are yes, no. But to sound confident, add one small detail. Example. Question. Are you coming today? Weak answer. Yes. Confident answer. Yes, I am coming today. Question. Do you understand? Weak answer. Yes. Better answer. Yes, I understand the lesson clearly. Speak clearly. Do not lower your voice at the end. Maintain eye contact. Short answers plus strong voice equals confidence. In interviews, meetings, or school, use full sentences. Structure, subject plus verb plus extra detail. Example. Question. Do you like reading? Answer. Yes, I enjoy reading science fiction because it improves my imagination. Question. What do you do? Answer. I work as a marketing assistant in a private company. Full sentences show clarity, maturity, professionalism, practice speaking complete thoughts. WH questions include who, what, where, when, why, how. Here is the simple formula. Listen carefully. Start with the main answer. Add a small explanation. Examples. Why are you learning English? I am learning English to improve my career opportunities. Where do you live? I live in Punjab, India. How do you practice English? I practice English by speaking daily and watching English videos. Clear answer first, explanation second. That is confidence. Let's compare. Question. What are your strengths? Unclear answer. I think I'm okay at managing time. Sometimes. Confident answer. I manage my time effectively and always complete tasks before deadlines. Hear the difference? Confidence means no hesitation, no maybe, no I think. Be direct. Be clear. Very important. It is completely okay to ask again. You can say, could you please repeat the question? I'm sorry, could you explain that again? Do you mean? Asking for clarification shows confidence to not weakness. Now your practice task. Answer these 5 questions aloud. 1. What did you do yesterday? 2. Why are you learning English? 3. What are your future goals? 4. How do you improve your skills? 5. Who inspires you? Speak in full sentences. Practice for 5 minutes every day. You will see improvement within a few weeks. Confidence grows with practice. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need clear and brave English. If this lesson helped you, like the video, comment your answer to this question. Why are you learning English? And don't forget to visit english.humanityuapd.com. See you in the next lesson of your 28-day free English course. Keep practicing, keep improving, keep growing.